Dr. Manmohan Singh, the great economist and architect of modern India, is no more. He was a great visionary, and Sri Narasimha Rao, finding his efficiency in the economic field, though he was not the Prime Minister, he was not the minister or MP, he picked him up as a Finance Minister of India. Dr. Manmohan Singh brought a lot of reforms, opened up the economy so that India can compete with the developing world. He proved himself in that. Madam Sonia Gandhi, when the Prime Minister's post was offered to her, she identified Dr. Manmohan Singh as an able administrator to hold the post of the Prime Minister. Dr. Manmohan Singh continued as Prime Minister for 10 years. I had an opportunity to work with him as a Minister in Prime Minister's office for 10 years, as a planning minister and as a Minister in Prime Minister's office. I had an occasion to learn administration from him. He was very sober, very kind, very informative, and he used to guide us on all occasions. I will not forget two instances which is still in my memory. When our scientists, the ISRO scientists, when they were launching the satellite, the rocket, two occasions it failed. Our ISRO scientists from Bangalore, Trivandrum, they were all upset. Dr. Manmohan Singh told me that Narayan Swami, you go and meet them and convince them and encourage them that further innovations have to be continued. I brought them to Delhi. Dr. Manmohan Singh also interacted with them. Thereafter, 5 successive launches were done by India, including the Mangalyaan, which was done during our period. In the first instance itself, we reached the Mars. That was the vision of Dr. Manmohan Singh. When Kodangulam project in Tamil Nadu was shelved because there was agitation by the people, Dr. Manmohan Singh gave me the opportunity to interact with them and to open it, and it was opened. Therefore, Dr. Manmohan Singh, not only as an administrator, as a human being, as a visionary, he brought India in the forefront. His foreign policy is excellent. He had a good relationship with China, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Singapore, all these countries. In fact, the American president and Russian president, they hailed him as one of the visionary prime minister and a prime minister who brought India to the forefront. I really lost a father figure who guided me in my life, and I had an opportunity. It is a honor given to me by Dr. Manmohan Singh to work with him under the blessings of Madam Sonia Gandhi. Thank you.